I'm going to be posting several videos to see which one y'all like the most to go audition for, to audition with. So here's Timing Is Everything by Garrett Hedlund off the Country Strong soundtrack. When the stars line up and you catch a good break, and people think you're lucky, but you know it's grace. You get down so fast, or a little bit late. Timing is everything. You know I've had close calls when it could have been me. But I was young when I learned just how fragile life can be. I lost friends of mine, I guess it was my time. Timing is everything. And I could have been another guy took home, and I would have been one more unfinished song. And when it seems a rhyme is hard to find, and that's when one comes along just in time. Well, I remember that day when our eyes first met. You ran into the building to get out of the rain 'cause you were soaking wet. And as I held the door, you wanted to know my name. And timing is everything. And I could have been another man in LA, and you never would have crossed my path that day. And when it seems true love is hard to find, and that's when love comes along just in time. Well, I can call it fate or destiny. Sometimes it really seems like it's a mystery, 'cause you can be hurt by love or healed by the same. Timing is everything. And it can happen so fast or a little bit late. Timing is everything. Alright, well that's it. I'm going to be posting a few more videos, so y'all just let me know. I'm trying to figure out which one I should audition with, so there you go.